Welcome to our channel Blender Tips. In this tutorial, I shall create water simulation by using fluid physics properties to create this beautiful simulation. How I can create this simulation? So let's start our video. Open the Blender and delete everything. Press Shift A to add a plane and scale it. Beautiful. Enter into the edit mode and extrude it along x-axis. Beautiful. Press 3 into the face selection and delete this above face. And now in edge selection, and by pressing shift select all the above edges and extrude it along z-axis and press S to scale. Beautiful. Enter into the object mode and in modifier section I select solidify modifier and increase this value as you required. Nice. Press shift A. From curve I select path and move this path along z-axis. Press 1 into the front view and move this path along x-axis somewhat here. Nice. Enter the edit menu of this path and make this path some beautiful. Nice. Select the curve properties. From here I select geometry and increase the bevel depth. Nice. Enter into the object mode. Now press shift A to add a UV sphere which act as a flow object for water simulation flowing from this pipe. Also make it shade smooth and decrease its value. Press 7 from top view. Nice. Press shift A to add a cube which behave like a domain and also scale it. Press 1 and select the wireframe mode. From here scale it down and scale it along z-axis and move it somewhat above because it fit with the pipe and flow object. Nice. Beautiful. Now I select the sphere and enter into the physics properties. From here I choose fluid and type flow, and flow type is liquid and flow behavior is inflow. Beautiful. And also give some initial velocity along z-axis because when the water eject from this pipe it should be along x-axis. So I give some initial velocity, say 3 meter per second square along x-axis. Beautiful. Now I select this pound and fluid, and the fluid should collide with this, so it should be fluid type effector and effector type collision, and also select is planar because the fluid cannot pass through this pound. Nice. And finally select this cube, fluid, and now this time domain, and domain type is liquid. The resolution should be 50 for more detail. Now run the simulation and check. Beautiful. Nice. The velocity is too much high. I decrease this value up to 1 and check it. This is too much slow. 2 is sufficient for this simulation. Beautiful. It's look like realistic. Now select the domain and from here I select mesh. Enter into the material view. I give material to these objects to make the scene realistic. So I have an asset browser. Also select timeline and from here I select asset browser. I have an asset browser. From here I have many material. Now I assign material to this metal material to this pipe like this. Beautiful. And brick material to this pound. I have an bricks material. From here I choose this material. Beautiful. And for water material to this sphere I select some glass type material like this. Beautiful. Now run the simulation and check. Beautiful. So in this way you can easily make a water simulation in Blender by using fluid physics techniques. Thank you for watching.